So let's explore how you can transform your life from within using Dr. Joseph Murphy's guide. You ever wonder why some people are so happy and successful and others just aren't? Well, the secret isn't out there. Turns out it's all about how you use your mind. Okay, so let's get into it. You've basically got two minds working inside of you. Think of it like this. Your conscious mind is the captain, giving all the orders. And here's the thing. Your subconscious doesn't argue. It just accepts your thoughts as fact. So whatever you're thinking, you're literally giving your subconscious direct orders. It's a law. Okay, so how do we give better orders? Well, picture your mind as a garden. You are the gardener. And your thoughts? Those are the seeds you're planting every single day. So how's it work? You choose a thought, you really feel it, and your subconscious delivers. Ready to give it a shot? Okay, but to make this actually work, there are some rules. And these aren't just suggestions. This is pretty much the instruction manual for your subconscious mind. This is a big one. Your subconscious takes you literally, so be careful what you tell it. And don't just wish or hope. You've got to state it with authority. You're the boss. All right, your journey starts right now. This is a 52-week guide, so let's get started. For week 1, your first mission is just to cleanse your mind. Focus on that inner peace. So now you know the power you have. The only question left is, what are you going to create?